The situation in Bangladesh is very concerning, and in fact, the American State Department Hindustani spokesperson has also flagged concerns about what's happening in Bangladesh. You know, violations of human rights have also been raised by the spokesperson, Margaret McLeod. She has expressed concerns, saying that US desires for a healthy democracy that protects human rights. And she was speaking on the developments and remarked that the news from Bangladesh is very, very worrisome, and affirmed that the US is closely observing the situation while hoping for an environment where people can live freely and follow their faith. The American State Department Hindustani spokesperson McLeod has expressed concerns about the human rights violations in Bangladesh. Remember, the minority community, Hindus, are constantly under threats in Dhaka, and in view of the prevalent situation, US has also flagged its concern. Let's listen in.
अमेरिका बांग्लादेश के लिए एक पायदार स्वतंत्र लोकतंत्र देखना चाहते हैं, जिसमें हर व्यक्ति की मानवीय अधिकार माना जाता है। और वो खबरें जो हम अभी बांग्लादेश से सुन रहे, वो काफी तफ्तीशनाक है, काफी चिंताजनक है, और हम ध्यान से देख रहे हैं। यही हम जानते हैं कि एक मुकदमा अभी चल रहा है, और हम समझते हैं कि लोकतंत्र में एक अच्छे से फंक्शनिंग अदालती निज़ाम की ज़रूरत है। और हमारी उम्मीद है, हमारी आशा है कि वही मुकदमा ठीक से, शफाफियत से चलेगा, और वो लोग जो अदालत पे बुला जाए, वकील मिले। और हमारी उम्मीद है कि पूरे क्षेत्र में लोग अपने धर्म और अपने विश्वास के मुताबिक जी सकें।
Well, that was the statement, viewers, that people should be able to follow their religion in Bangladesh without any concern. Those were the closing remarks of the US spokesperson. She said that there are human rights violations, and the situation is very alarming, and that it is time to create an environment where everybody can live freely. We have Samiksha joining me live from the newsroom. Samiksha, this is a big statement coming in from the US, confirming once again how Hindus are constantly under attacks. Finally, somebody is taking note about what's happening with the minority community and flagging these as human rights violations.
Well, that's right, Deepak. And, you know, even as more and more countries are calling out the Yunus administration for what is happening under his administration, the persecution of Hindus, the vandalism of temples, be it the assault on Hindu seers in Bangladesh, there is little that is being done on part of Yunus. Rather, it's entirely the opposite that is happening, what should be happening in Bangladesh at this stage. But taking you through the statement that's been made by the American State Department spokesperson Margaret McLeod, who's expressed concerns, clearly saying that there is violation of human rights under Yunus administration. That being said, Deepak, also to highlight here how Bangladesh is now descending into complete chaos. There is an anarchy mindset. We've seen how Bangladesh is even facilitating hassle-free visas for the Pakistanis in Bangladesh who would want to visit Bangladesh, something which once again highlights how Afghanistan is turning into mini Pakistan for the kind of actions that are taking place under Yunus administration, be it the regressive diktats being passed by Yunus administration, or even the fatwa, for that matter, that's now been issued against women in Bangladesh, which again highlights how Afghanistan is issuing diktats, Taliban-like diktats, which is making it not just a mini Pakistan, but even something like Afghanistan, where there are regressive diktats against women in Afghanistan. But Deepak, that's a statement that's coming in from the US, highlighting that how the minorities are in grave danger under Yunus administration, and that minorities' rights must be protected, not just of the Hindus, but even the minorities, the Buddhists who've been living in Bangladesh for past many years.